left 2, then right 1, left 1, right 2, left 2, right 1, left 1, right 3. Left 1. Left 1. Right 2.
They're going to let us by, going to go wide.
Left 1. Left 1. Then left 2.
Come on, guys.
Come on, dude. Right 2, right 2. Left 1, right 1. Left 1. Stay left. Stay left, stay left. Left 1, right 1. Then left 2. Left 2 into right 1. Left, right 3. Right 2. Right 2, left 2. Okay, go, 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 go.
I got to go wide.
You got it. Right 2, left 2. Woo! Yeah. Right 2 into left 2. Then right 3, 400 feet. Right 3. Left 2. Right 1. Right 2, left 2. Left 2. Right 1. Right 2. Right 2 aquí. Then left 1. Then right 2. Left 1. Right 1. Left 2. Right 2. Left 3, 400 feet. Keep right, keep right. Then left 3. Right 1. Left 1, right 2. Then left 2. Right 1. Left 1. Left 1. Right 2. Left 2. Left 1. Right 2, left 1. Left 1. Right 2. Right 1. Left 1. Right 1. Right 1. Left 1. Right 1. Left 1. Left 2. Right 2. 1, left 2. Left 2. Left 2. Right 2. Left 1, right 1. Left 2. Straight. Left 1, right 1. Straight. Left 1, right 1. Right 2. Straight. Left 1. Left 1. Straight. Left 1. Straight. Straight. Left 1. Aquí. Straight. Right, right, left. Right 1. Left 2. Left 2, left 2. Keep left, keep left. Right 2. Keep right. Right 1. Start letting us go. Go, go, go. Left 1. Left 1.
Is it Stella working now?
No. Left 2.
Can't see shit. I'm alright, actually.
Right 1, left 1. Left 1, right 1. Then left 1.
This looks... There we go.
Right 2.
coming through the roof.
Yeah.
And so there's all these weird holes. I thought it was my visor got wet.
Yeah. Right one.
Straight.
Straight.
I just don't like the brake situation.
We don't have anything marked.
We don't have what?
We don't have anything marked. We're clear.
What's our engine
We're
temp?
225,
Okay.
so take it easy. Let it cool down a little bit. Right one.
Oh.
Keep straight. Straight.
How hard's the left?
Left one. Straight. We're at 228. Right one. Okay.
Whoa. Yeah!
Woo! Left 1.5. Left 1.5.
Sorry.
Right 2. Left 2.
Oh yeah, that was after that. I didn't think we were going to be going that fast across that road crossing.
Hey, we got it. That's why we take notes. Oh shit, the cello fell.
It's not working anyways, right?
No. Oh, the fucking thing ripped. The left one. Let me zip tie this fucking thing.
Alright, I'll just drive according to what I can see.
Slow down. Left one, slow down, wash out.
Maybe it's better I don't drive to what I can see.
Yeah. Right 2. Hey, I gotta leave you solo, okay?
You got what?
I gotta leave you solo so I can
Okay.
get this fucking cello zip tied.
It's all on me, brother.
Fucking zip tied.
Yeah!
Left one. Left one, right 3.
Okay, slow down. Here.